I don't know how LEGO keeps messing this up. How's it going, everybody? Mark from Brick Foundation here, and today we have yet another LEGO letdown. Today we're going to discuss all the mishaps for the Ulysses space probe. LEGO delayed this promotion 14 days to fix what? It doesn't seem like it would have been any different than launch day of April 1st with the shuttle. It doesn't seem LEGO did anything with that 14 days. This launch was a complete flop, complete failure. First, there was an error message saying that the site was under maintenance. Then once you finally got in, it said you had to accept the terms and conditions, and once you tried to select that, it wouldn't go through, it just would say something went wrong, obviously. Now this was a set that I really wanted, so I tried everything. I refreshed the pages, I went back, I opened multiple web browsers, I tried it on my iPad, I tried it on my phone. LEGO even blocked me for entering their site on my laptop. It was a mess. But finally, after 25 minutes, supposedly I was able to redeem the VIP promotion for the Ulysses space probe. I don't even know if that's true or not, because I placed an order, and then that order got a cancellation, and inside that order was the promotional code for the Ulysses space probe. So I call LEGO, get on the phone. There was some error that they received, they don't know why. I was afraid that they just didn't have the Ulysses space probe, and they canceled my order for that reason. But that wasn't it at all, some other fluke. Now the LEGO customer care agent was very nice, very helpful. He said that he was placing the order once again, one more time. Hopefully there was no cancellations, that he would actually do it in 2 separate orders so that they won't cancel my Ulysses space probe. So I do hope that when my package comes in, the space probe is included. Knowing LEGO, it's up in the air. It could show up or it could not. And I know that I'm not the only one that's had multiple problems with this. I received several messages of people angry, hurt, confused of what was going on. LEGO has to do better. And what's sad is you see a lot of these Ulysses space probe sets already on eBay going for $200 plus. That's crazy. Do not spend that much on this. That's insane. Let LEGO know how disappointed you are. Give them a call, write them an email, chat with customer service. If you agree with what I'm saying, give this video a thumbs up. And if it helps, let all your frustrations down in the comments below. Tell me your story. I think this is something we should gather up and send to LEGO. They need to know that they can't keep doing this, especially when they have such a loyal fan base. Eventually, the customers will tire of this, and they'll tire of LEGO as well. Just saying, LEGO, don't take advantage of your customers right now when you're at peak popularity. This is the time where you should be the most humble, the most serving to your customers. Well, that's the end of my rant today. I'm sorry for any of y'all that weren't able to get the Ulysses space probe, and I'm also happy for anyone that did. Just remember, guys, if you like this kind of content, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. And I'll see you guys later.